Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake step by step. First, measure out 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift this flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a bowl. Don't forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this mixture. This ensures your cake has a perfect texture and taste. Set these dry ingredients aside for now. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate large bowl, cream together 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give your cake a wonderful aroma and flavor. It's time to combine everything. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with 1/2 cup of milk. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make the cake tough. Pour the batter evenly into a greased 9-inch round cake pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. Only apply your favorite frosting once the cake is entirely cool. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your homemade cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.